You have definitely heard of black holes. Whether it was in a book or on a movie, the truth is that everybody knows, or at least has an idea of, what a black hole is. Okay, this one is technically not a black hole, but, well, you get my point. But do you really know what a black hole is? And have you ever wondered what would happen if you fell inside one? Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. It really helps me a lot. For years, scientists had a pretty good idea of how a black hole looked like. But it wasn't until a short time ago that NASA has finally managed to take a real picture of a black hole. Yes, it is as dark and terrifying as you'd expect. In a black hole, gravity is so strong that not even light can escape from it. Okay, this is the black part. But what is the hole part? That's the problem. Nobody knows what it is because nobody has ever been inside one to check it. By the way, you know the idea that a black hole sucks everything up like a vacuum cleaner? Well, that's not quite the case. If our sun was replaced by for an equally massive black hole, nothing would really change for Earth, except that we would freeze to death, of course. But let's for a moment imagine we live in a totally different reality where falling into a black hole is actually something possible. What would happen? If someone could watch you enter a black hole, you would seem to slow down as you get closer to the black hole, since time is perceived in a different way. You would, at some point, appear to freeze in time, slowly turn red, and disappear. Now, from your perspective, time would move fast forward, kind of like seeing the future. And then, well, nobody knows for sure because, again, nobody has ever gotten to this point yet. However, there might be two possibilities. 1. You die a quick death. If the black hole you're falling into is a small black hole, you will die by spaghettification. And that would happen because the gravity would pull your legs with more power than your hand, because your legs would be closer to the black hole center, stretching your body and tearing your cells apart until you're nothing more than a hot stream of plasma. Now, the other possibility is you die a very quick death. But in this case scenario, the black hole you fell into is a big one. And so, you would be able to check your surroundings a little bit, just seconds before dying a terrible death, being crushed and becoming yourself, a part of the black hole. I myself am not willing to check which possibility is accurate. In fact, everything you've heard about black holes, even now in this video, is about theoretical black holes that aren't spinning because their math is so much easier. However, as far as we know, all black holes in the universe should be spinning right now at incredible speeds too. So that means that, in reality, black holes are even more screwed up than they are usually credited for. But will that ever happen? Is it possible for humanity to get closer to a black hole? Should we fear for our lives? Well, don't worry. It's very unlikely that the Earth will ever come even remotely close to a black hole. Sagittarius, the supermassive black hole in our galaxy, is 26,000 light years away from us, and in fact, it's not even affecting the planets and stars surrounding it. So, we are safe, at least for now. But I personally think that the bigger question here is, will we ever know what really is going on inside a black hole? The answer is, no one knows. We can only see their outsides, and the theories we have about their insides are probably wrong. But it's okay to not know everything. It just means that there is still work to be done. It means there are still mysteries to be solved and big ideas to think about, which is why humans do science. Who knows, maybe you're going to be the scientist who does the imaginable and cracks up this mystery. Stephen Hawking himself believed that black holes could be passages to another universe, but well, that's a subject for another video. Let me know in the comments what is your opinion about it and what other mysteries you would like to see here. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching.